Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an EIN. First, understand that an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is crucial for tax purposes, much like a Social Security number for individuals. Most businesses, including sole proprietorships with employees, partnerships, and corporations, will need one. You must also have a valid taxpayer identification number, such as a Social Security number, to be the responsible party. Before you begin the application, gather all necessary information. You will need your legal business name and current mailing address. Crucially, identify the responsible party's full name and their Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Also, specify your business entity type, whether it is a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Finally, state the primary reason for applying, such as starting a new business. There are several convenient ways to apply for your EIN. The quickest and most common method is online through the IRS website, which provides your number instantly. Alternatively, you can apply by faxing a completed Form SS4, which typically takes about 4 business days. Mailing Form SS4 is also an option, though it can take several weeks. International applicants without a U.S. address can apply by phone. Once you have chosen your application method, carefully complete Form SS4, ensuring all required fields are accurately filled. If applying online, your employer identification number is typically issued immediately upon successful submission. For faxed applications, expect to receive your EIN within about 4 business days. If you choose to mail your application, please be aware that processing can take several weeks before you receive your official number.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.